NBA playoffs are on, and oops, your stream just died. Okay, don't panic. Here's a quick fix.
The worst feeling, right? Let's get you back in the game fast. All right, this is your first line of defense. Just remember these 3 simple R's in this specific order.
It's super simple. Refresh, restart, and reinstall. Let's break them down.
First step, just refresh the stream. Seriously, try it a few times. It's the easiest fix. No luck? Okay, step 2 is restarting the app. On a Roku, you just hit the start button. And the last resort R is a full reinstall. This works on pretty much anything. Fire TV, Chromecast, you name it. So what if the 3 R's fail you? Well, it's time for some backup plays. Here are 3 quick backups to keep you in the action while you figure out the main stream. First backup, always have another device ready. A phone or a tablet can be a real lifesaver. Next up, check out Reddit. You'll probably find a quick stream or see how others are fixing the same problem. And if all else fails, pull up the Gamecast. It'll at least keep you in the loop, play by play. You see the theme here, right? For a big game, you just can't be too prepared.